we've got My Bar next, My Bar, and these two are two of our new singles, so.
So pretty like a nightjar in my mind's bar, and we're drinking again. Triple vodka Coca-Cola, a line of summer, and we're all happy again. Ooh, bitch, oh, you're in my heart, you're in my head. Ooh, bitch, in my heart, you're in my head. Those squeaks and comes a creeper, but with a motive to make you notice. It's getting late, so turn the lights out. Oh, the night's out, and soon we'll hit our nest. Ooh, bitch, in my heart, she's in my head. Ooh, bitch, are you in my heart? Yeah, you in my head. Cuckoo, come on and fight now. I'll knock your lights out. Are you parasites? Cuckoo, come on and fight now. I'll knock your lights out. Are you parasites? Ooh, bitch, are you in my heart? You in my head. Ooh, bitch, oh, she's in my heart. She's in my head.
I'll tell you what, you've nailed it tonight. Just brilliant. That was British Birds live in session. Open It, Close It. Is it Open It, Close It Up?
Open it, close it.
Right, that'll do it nicely. And then it was followed by My Bar. And, yeah, enjoyed it immensely. And so where can you get the album from?
You can get it on Bandcamp. We've done a cassette, which we've also done ourselves as well.
Right.
Duplicated by ourselves.
OK, there is a Twitter account for British Birds, which is all about probably something to do with the book that you bought, Bobby, in the first place.
Yeah,
so,
maybe.
Slightly confusing. But anyway, good luck with everything. Not that you need it, because you're great. Really enjoyed that. Thanks, Howard.
Yeah, thank you, Howard.
Absolutely. We all owe him a drink. OK, so the T-shirt thing then. The band This Man Fronts has